Hey, what's up everyone? Christopher here, and I want to talk real quick about this RYOBI power washer. I've had this for a while now, and I've used it to clean my back deck and the side vinyl of my house, but today I'm be using it to clean my very neglected vinyl pool. Using the power washer is really easy. All you do is follow the instructions on the side, connect the water, connect the power, pour in soap if you're using it, and you're good to go. Included are 3 different pressure nozzles, an orange for high pressure, the black for a turbo pressure, and a blue one for low pressure or soaking. And all 3 can be stored onto the pressure washer itself. Today I'm using the blue low pressure nozzle because I don't want to damage my vinyl pool. Switching out the nozzle is actually really easy though. There's a quick release to change out the nozzle. All you gotta do is pull it down and then attach the nozzle that you need. I did end up using the orange higher pressure nozzle to scrub the green algae out of the bottom of the pool, but I will say that the orange and black turbo nodules, they do have a bit of a kickback, so watch out for that. So far I'm really happy with this power washer. It cleaned my pool nicely. So if you're looking for a power washer to help clean either a deck, sidewalk, your house, or even a vinyl pool, I highly recommend this one.